In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft Whiteboard in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating with a team or brainstorming ideas, Microsoft Whiteboard is a fantastic tool that can help you visualize your thoughts and work more creatively. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever you're most comfortable with using. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Microsoft Whiteboard and hit Enter. You should see a list of results pop up almost instantly, and one of the top links should take you directly to the Microsoft Whiteboard website. Click on that link to navigate to the site. Now that you're on the Microsoft Whiteboard website, the next step is to locate the Sign In option, often found at the top right corner. Clicking on Sign In will take you to the login screen. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account and you're logged into it on your device or browser, you may find yourself signed in automatically to Microsoft Whiteboard. It's important to remember that Microsoft sometimes smooths the pathway for its users like this, making it really convenient if you regularly use their services. However, if you're not signed in automatically, don't worry. It's just a couple more clicks away. You'll need to enter your existing Microsoft 365 email address in the login field. Once entered, proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Enter your password into the provided field. Microsoft may prompt you for additional verification to ensure the security of your account, especially if you're logging in from a new device. This might include entering a code sent to your email or authenticating via a mobile device. Once you're past the login stage, you'll land on the Microsoft Whiteboard dashboard. Congratulations! You made it through the sign-in process. From here, you have the option to open existing whiteboards if you've worked on any before, or you can create brand new ones. To start a fresh whiteboard, simply find and click on the button that says New Whiteboard. Using Microsoft Whiteboard offers a canvas for all your creative needs. Whether you're sketching out big ideas or working collaboratively on detailed projects, the digital space can enhance your brainstorming sessions. Remember, experimenting with different tools and features available on the platform can truly boost your productivity. That wraps up our quick guide on signing into Microsoft Whiteboard. I hope this session made the process clearer for you. Thank you for tuning in and have fun creating on your Microsoft Whiteboard.